Mailchimp and ConvertKit are two of the most popular email marketing tools for creators, but they serve slightly different needs. Both help you build an audience, send campaigns, and automate your communication. Yet the experience feels very different depending on how hands-on you want to be. Mailchimp is well known for its all-in-one approach. It gives you templates, design tools, sign-up forms, automation features, and even basic customer management. The interface looks polished, and you can create attractive emails without much design experience. It is a great option if you prefer drag-and-drop editing and want your emails to look visually detailed. Mailchimp also includes extra features like landing pages and simple e-commerce tools, which can be handy if you are running a small shop or want everything in one place. The downside is that it can sometimes feel bloated if you only need the basics. There are many menus, many settings, and many options. This is helpful for businesses, but it may feel heavy depending on your workflow. ConvertKit takes a creator-first approach. It was built mainly for people who write newsletters, publish content, or run personal brands. The emails are clean and focused on text rather than design elements. Instead of giving you dozens of templates, ConvertKit keeps things simple so your message stands out. Its biggest strength is automation. You can build visual workflows that react to how your audience behaves. It is easy to tag subscribers, send targeted messages, and guide people through sequences. This makes it powerful for creators who want to grow their audience with consistent communication. ConvertKit also includes tools for selling products, offering paid newsletters, and managing audience segments. The platform feels more lightweight than Mailchimp, even though it offers advanced controls. Everything is designed to save time and help creators stay productive. Both tools can grow with you, but they shine in different ways. Choose Mailchimp if beautiful templates and a wide range of features matter to you. Choose ConvertKit if you want a streamlined, creator-focused experience that makes email feel natural and easy. Either way, both platforms give creators dependable tools for building and nurturing their audience.